Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Jessica and I'm going to be doing some mukbangs, whatever you want to call it. So I have some shrimp and I have boiled eggs and then famous Bloves sauce. So yes, I'm starving. So trying to keep this low carb, so that's why we have shrimp and eggs only. But I have lemons, of course, and I have some water. So yeah, this is my first video. I'm probably gonna look back on this and absolutely cringe. I'm gonna be like, oh my god, what was I thinking? What was I doing? So bear with me. I'm trying to figure out like angles and yeah, so I'm using my iPhone, so we'll see how it goes. It's a good starting point, I guess. And if you haven't tried these waters from Walmart, they're so good. Flavored water. This one's orange cream and it tastes like a creamsicle. Super, super tasty. So let's dive in here. I'm gonna put some lemon on here. And I got these lemons, or I didn't get these lemons. Well, I did get the lemons from Walmart, but that's not what I meant to say. I got these shrimp from Walmart in the frozen section. I think they were like $6 for a bag. So they're not like super big or fancy or anything. Like Bloves, she has those huge prawns that she always eats. But anyways, yeah, these are tasty and I'm so excited. I just want to eat this. I just pulled this. I heated this sauce back up. I made it this morning. It's gonna be so hot. It's so yummy. Try an egg next. I'm so proud of myself. I always mess up boiled eggs, and I know that sounds ridiculous, but I do for some reason. I always overcook them, or like the middle is still kind of underdone. But these are like perfect. I know I'm terrible at this, but we'll get better. Dip that on in here. I'm gonna move this closer to me because I'm gonna have it all over the place. And this might be like up too close, but whatever. So good. And I'm not a huge egg fan, but when I seen Bloves try this and she was saying that it was amazing, I was like, well, I have to try it. Because if the seafood queen thinks it's good, it has to be good. So yeah, welcome to my channel. I don't have a name picked out yet, so maybe you guys could help out with that. Give me some pointers. Help a sister out. So yeah, I guess I'll tell you a little bit about me. I'm 30 years old. I have a 7-year-old and I live in Michigan. I'm actually from Ohio, but I moved here in November of last year. So yeah, I've been wanting to start a YouTube channel, and I was just like super nervous and self-conscious about it, so I was like, I'm just gonna keep putting it off. And I would keep watching like Bloves life, of course. I mean, she's like iconic at this point. And the Sauce Queen. I really, really love Kristen's stories. Of course, the ZCC, Zeddy Chunk Chunk, and Nicole, of course. That is like my favorite couple on YouTube. I love watching their videos. I just watched one of their videos, a Burger King video, and they were talking about exes, and they're just so cute together. So yeah, I hope that I can grow my channel and then maybe do some collabs with them. But yeah, I was watching mukbangs and I'm like, I want to do this. Like, I eat every day, obviously, so why not share my videos? Why not make videos to share, I guess? Oh, so good. I'll do another egg. Because I am so proud of myself for cooking these so well. I know, it sounds stupid, but the simple things are the hardest to cook. I can't wait for Bloves to start selling her sauce. It's not hard to make, but I think if the seasonings and everything were already in a package and I could just measure it out into some butter and some broth, excuse me, I think it'd be so much easier than getting out all of the spices and measuring each one every single time. I mean, the sauce is totally worth it, but I had my son put away all the seasonings today because I was like, yeah, please put it back so I can continue. This sauce is really what made me like crave seafood, because I liked shrimp but I mean, would rarely ever eat it, and if I did, I would do like a sweet and spicy like sauteed shrimp in a pan and like put like cauliflower rice or regular rice or whatever with some broccoli. But ever since I tried her seafood sauce, like, I crave it, and it's real. The craving is real. I've tried lobster recently. My boyfriend and I went to Red Lobster a few months ago, and he was just like, oh, you gotta try the lobster bisque. And the lobster bisque was amazing. And we tried like a lobster artichoke, some kind of dip, and it was really good too. But I got kind of like a boil, and it had like mussels and lobster, and I did not like the lobster. Maybe if I had this sauce to dip it in, it would be different. But yeah, I really didn't care for the lobster, and I didn't like the mussels either, so I'm just sticking with shrimp at this point. And it's perfectly fine with me because it's tasty. So yeah, how are you guys doing? I appreciate anybody who's gonna watch this video, because this is gonna be my very first video, and I can just imagine. So yeah, if you comment, give me some suggestions, like the video, share the video, subscribe to my channel, that would be fantastic. I would appreciate the love and support. all the ginger and the garlic and the onions. Mmm, mmm, mmm. It's so good. I do have to say I am missing the corn though, because I love dipping corn on the cob in this. It's so good. But I'm trying to keep it low carb, so it's all good. This is super satisfying. I definitely did not make this sauce as spicy as I have had in the past. This is much more tolerable. I like it to be a little spicy, but not like I'm burning my tongue, lips on fire kind of spicy. The water is so good. I'm getting full. My nose is ready. Oh. Oh, so good. So I guess my next video I can do like a Q&A, or maybe not like the exact next video, because I don't know how many people are gonna view and ask questions, but yeah, I can do like a Q&A. I'm gonna try to excuse me, I'm gonna try to get my boyfriend to do a video with me. Excuse me again. This food is so good. But yeah, I'm gonna try to get my boyfriend to do a video with me. I've been trying to get him to record for the last couple of days, so excuse me, yeah, we're gonna hopefully do one together. That'll be fun. And probably with my son. He loves watching YouTube. It's more gaming for him. That's what he enjoys. Like FGTV and stuff like that. But yeah, hopefully some of my friends will, and we can get a few more videos uploaded here and give you guys something to watch. And hopefully you enjoy them. Yeah, but I am pretty full. And I don't know what people talk about on here, but they seem to always have something to talk about. The shrimp, I bought like a bag that said extra large, but once they cook down, they really don't seem very extra large, like at all. They're pretty tiny. I'm gonna have to get like the super colossal or something next time. But for the shrimp, I just boiled some water and, excuse me again, and I put a lemon in there. I squeezed a lemon, put the whole lemon in there, and I put Old Bay seasoning and I put them in there for maybe like 3 minutes. It was really quick. And I pulled them out. And then, of course, if you want to know how to make the sauce, it's Bloves recipe. You can go to her channel and view that recipe. She even has a video on how to make it. I will say that I added broth this time, and I had it in the past, and that helped as well, along with the spice level. But it's so good, so good. And of course the eggs, yeah, I boiled the eggs and super, super yummy. Gonna finish this egg. Then I'm probably gonna wrap my first video up. I survived! I'm so excited. Can't wait to upload this. Super tasty. What do you guys have planned for this weekend? I typically work Monday through Thursday, so I was off today. So I did a little cleaning, and we'll probably just hang out tonight. And then tomorrow we'll go up to the campgrounds. They're having like a battle of the bands, so we'll probably hang out there. Should be pretty fun. Low-key weekend. Hopefully the rain holds off because it's been raining non-stop. It's absolutely ridiculous. But yeah, so hopefully the rain holds off so we can go and enjoy the band and not get rained out and be a drenched swamp mess. But yeah, I want to thank you guys for watching my video. Again, don't forget to like, comment, give me some pointers, share this video if you feel the need. I would appreciate the love. Subscribe to my channel. Yeah, and thanks so much, and hopefully this wasn't too awful, cringeworthy, I don't know. Okay, thanks guys, bye.